What's up, y'all? This is Nikki's MTV Cribs. Y'all hear me? You know, this is the Nikki edition.
When the sun sets and I'll find another way on. Yeah. When the sun sets and I'll find another way. Yeah. When the sun sets, you know I find another way. I'm working overtime so I can whip it like a slave. I'm breaking down the walls and use the bricks to pay my way. Looking for an opportunity so I can ride the wave.
Hey guys, I'm going into my apartment. This is our key. Isn't it like super weird? Okay. This is clearly a before the shit. For this to be a 2-bedroom, missing a couple things that they showed me. This is a nice little kitchen. That's my roommate's room. This is my room. No, I don't like this. Okay, let's see. This is of course the before. It's actually a pretty decent closet space, but the living room is super small. Oh God, this is not like what they showed me. Like what they showed me, I'm gonna put the videos in here or like the pictures of them or whatever, but like this is not what their little model room was like, because this, I don't know how I feel about it. It's alright, you feel me, but yeah. I mean, I'm on the first floor, which is great, but it's like I have like the corner room because I'm all the way at the end of the hall. But you know, I gotta go through the whole little checklist or whatever, make sure everything is running. How you work this? Look, I don't know how to work this shit. I'm gonna break some. This key is so you throw me. When it's cold as fucking here. Let's turn this bitch off. You feel me? Okay. The bathroom lighting ain't that good. Okay, everything's fine. Turn it that way. It's actually really poor lighting in this bathroom. Okay, that looks fine. I'm not gonna touch anything. Oh, I need to flush the toilet too. Let me try that. That's not corny. Oh. Okay, I have to do a little packet, so let me go ahead and go get that. I need a pin on my car though. So I'm gonna actually pay for my parking pass. And I'm gonna come back in here and I'm gonna do this whole little move in. The room is actually really small compared to what I was expecting. I'm definitely gonna move some stuff around though. I know that much because no baby. Let me get that other key. Okay, I'm gonna go to my car so I can get pay for this parking pass and stuff. So I'll be back. Okay, so I just got my parking pass. $160 for this. You feel me? Like, I don't get it. But I'm gonna go back to my room so I can fill out this checklist. So my room is like way down there, all the way at the end, really, basically. And I think I already passed one. No, I didn't. This is one of the entrances I can use. This is an elevator. Like, this building is like really nice. It has a lot of stuff. That's actually the laundry room. Unless I have to pay to wash my clothes in it. But it's okay, I guess. Okay, y'all. That's another door over here. This one over there too. But I haven't got all my stuff out of my car yet. I still got like some blankets and hangers and stuff, but that stuff I can just bring in later. It's not nothing I really need right now. But my parents are bringing like the rest of my appliances tomorrow, Saturday. But I still gotta decorate my room and stuff, so I will definitely show y'all that when I get there. And alright, y'all. Bro, I'm finna start decorating. I've already got some ideas in my head. It's kind of cold in here. It's cold and I'm hot at the same time. Like it's very confident. And this is my turtle. His name is Tomato, for those who don't know. I've had him for almost 2 years now. I love my pillows. But I actually figured out all my pillows for my bed. at home. So, but I got bed sheets. I got bed sheets, pillowcases for them. Yeah. My face. All right, y'all. What, 2 days? I finally finished my room completely. So I'm just gonna show you guys. So that is my room. I'm finished. The bathroom, I should show you guys the bathroom too. The kitchen, I guess you can say, I don't know, there's just a bunch of food in there right now, and all the appliances that we brought, like, so like it's a blender, air fryer, something else too. But yeah, I mean, that's really about it. I like it. It took me a while, because if you know me, everything got to be like perfected when I like decorate stuff. Because if it's not, then throw the whole thing away. But it's decent. I like it here. It's really nice in here. I'll show you guys the bathroom right now. This is just my stuff on the side over here. I don't know if she's gonna put her stuff in here or not. And then this is the shower curtain. It's actually really cute. I don't like pink like that, but you know, it's whatever. But moved to my apartment. It was actually an easy breezy thing. Only thing I hated is the fact that I had to pay for a parking pass, and I had a really good parking spot. And I just had to move my car today. I was so mad. I came back and I lost it. Like, it was literally right by the door. I wasn't too far to walk. I can hear my car when I lock the door. But sadly, I lost the parking spot. But yeah, I mean, I got this nice canopy right here from Five Below. These little picture things right here. Honestly, my mom got them for me. I don't know where she got them from, so I can't really tell you that part. I think she might have got them from like a Meijer though. These picture frames of me and my pet and my family. I got those from my roommate from Tuskegee because she gave me a lot of her old stuff. And like the love one right there. And then where's that? This one right here. Those are also ones that my mom got me. That chalkboard over there, got that from Five Below as well. My mirror, got that from Kmart. As you can see, it's my school supply list. My friend actually made me my letters with pictures. I did just give her pictures, and then she made it. She's really great. Look, if y'all want her info, let me know. Those lights, I got those from Five Below as well. These lights, it's on the canopy. I got them from Walmart. And then my lamp over here, my mom gave it to me. It's really cute. Like, y'all, this is cute. I got this little beautiful thing from Dollar General, like $3. And these are actually used on the sides of these. So I can't show it. It is a book holder thing. That's really about it, y'all. I just really like to decorate things. I just love it. My pillows as well. The elephant and the two next to it, those are from Five Below as well. The one in the back is from Walmart, and this comforter set is actually from Walmart too. It came with the comforter, fitted sheet, flat sheet, all that stuff. But yeah, until next time, y'all. Bye.